Food. What you see is not always what you get, and it's difficult for consumers to know what the ingredients are. Food production on an industrial scale has its advantages and disadvantages. Trade is often international, so if contamination occurs, its impact is wide-ranging. In Germany, the body responsible for carrying out regular checks on food safety is the Federal Office for Consumer Protection.
Wenn denn dann tatsächlich mal was schief geht, wenn gesundheitsgefährdendes
If something really goes wrong and a dangerous food appears on the market, we have an early warning system in place across the EU. Third countries are linked in too, which means that if there's a food substance posing a health risk in one member state, all other EU member states that have taken delivery of this foodstuff are automatically alerted.
EU-Mitgliedstaaten informiert, die auch dieses Lebensmittel erhalten haben.
Of course, food producers themselves are responsible for carrying out regular quality checks on their products. The Federal Office for Consumer Protection and Food Safety itself looks closely at companies' quality control systems. It tests several 100,000 samples a year. At the Green Week Trade Fair, it's very clear just how global the food and agricultural markets have become. And the issue of food safety concerns people around the
Gerade aus
world.
dem asiatischen Raum, wo es Zweifel gibt an der
That's especially the case in Asia, where there are concerns about food safety, for example in China, with countries increasingly buying products in Europe because they don't have much confidence in their local food safety regime.
weil sie der dortigen Lebensmittelsicherheit der dortigen Produkte nicht trauen.
Countries outside the EU profit in many ways from the strict checks within the EU. They benefit from import alerts, and they have to comply with quality guidelines as exporters too.
Und deswegen sind wir auch international tätig. Wir unterstützen
And that's why we're active internationally.
im Aufbau
We help certain countries set up their oversight infrastructure, on the one hand to improve consumer protection locally and also to improve food safety here in Germany.
hier in Deutschland dann die Lebensmittelsicherheit zu stärken.
It's important to trust the food on your plate. Germany has had its fair share of food safety scandals. Thanks to effective checks, they were exposed.